그런 날이 있어. 갑자기 혼자인 것만 같은 날, 어딜 가도 내 자리가 아닌 것만 같고 고개는 떨궈지는 날. 그랬단 말은 내게 얼마나 내가 소중한지만 해주는 너의 그 한마디에 Everything's alright, 사랑한 nobody, 애써 살 somebody. 특별한 나로 변해, You make me feel special. 세상이 아무리 날 주저앉혀도 아프고 아픈 말들이 날 찔러도 네가 있어 난 다시 웃어. That's what you do. Again I feel special. 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 잘나가고 날 사랑했다가도 내 부르는 네 목소리에 I feel love, I feel so special. 자꾸 쓰고 싶어서 마주 하기가 싫어서 모두가 의미를 잃은 듯이 내가 의미를 잃은 듯이 가만히 주저앉아 있을 때 그때 내 앞에 나타난 너의 따뜻한 미소와 손길에 Everything's so right, 초라한 nobody, 애써 somebody. 특별한 나로 변해, You make me feel special. 세상에 아무리 날 주저앉혀도 아프고 아픈 말들이 날 찔러도 네가 있어 난 다시 웃어. That's what you do. Again I feel special. 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 사라져도 날 사랑했다가도 내 부르는 네 목소리에 I feel love, I feel so special. You make everything alright. 구름 밑잡긴 햇살 한 줌 없는 날, 네가 바로 나의 shining light. That's what you do. 아무리 어두운 밤도 다신다. I owe it to you because you make me feel special. 세상에 아무리 날 주저앉혀도 아프고 아픈 말들이 날 찔러도 네가 있어 난 다시 웃어. That's what you do. Again I feel special. 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 사라져도 날 사랑했다가도 내 부르는 네 목소리에 I feel love, I feel so special. Hi Bea, happy birthday. I love you so much. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Bert. You're so old na. Love you.
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Bert. From the three of us. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Bert! So your teammate reached out to me to ask our friends and family for videos of greeting you a happy birthday. But it's also my birthday, so it's kinda awkward, yet here we are. But anyway, jokes aside, happy birthday to my bestest best friend in the whole universe. You know what I wish for your birthday already, so we don't have to talk about that. Anyway, I love you so much. Christina to my Meredith, my roommate, my everything, my housemate. You know.
Happy birthday, Beatrice! I love you very much.
birthday. Love you. Cooking fish.
Happy birthday, Bert! Happy birthday, Ninang Bert!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Bert! From the three of us. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Bea! To you and to your kambal na si Catch, na akala ko kanina Chance or Charis. Basta, Catch pala si Catch. So, happy birthday sa'yo at sa kanya dahil kayo ay kambal. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay happiness, healthy body and mind, soul, spiritually, emotionally, and peace of mind, and then ano pa ba? Siguro okay naman na siguro yung love life mo, no? So yun, healthy relationship lang din dun sa partner mo. Yun, alam ko naman ang stress ay hindi maiiwasan, pero igagay naman tayo lahat ni Lord, amen, sa mga problema. Pero yun, enjoy mo na lang yung day mo, and maraming salamat for being my manager. Sobrang dami kong natutunan sa'yo. In a personal level and also sa ating business. Ayan, madaming thank you. Enjoy your day! Bye! Thank you! Bye! Ba't ako nag-thank you? Thank you! Bye-bye!
So enjoy your day. Feel special, as Twice says. I love you. I'll see you soon. When we're going to watch Twice in October, fingers crossed, get good seats. You know what to do. And happy birthday. Enjoy the day. I love you. I'll call you later. Goodbye. Annyeong.
I'm buying lunch. But happy birthday to you and Kathy. Hi, QM! Maayong adlaw na tawhan! Amping kanunay! Ice cream!
If today is your birthday, here's a birthday cake to say happy birthday to you, to me. It's also my birthday. Happy birthday to us.
Hi, Bay. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Thank you for being my partner since we have separated from NUC claims and now here in quality management team. PS, huwag mong kakalimutan yung pangako mong freshly harvested fruits from your backyard garden. Abangan ko yan. And see you this July.
Birthday, Madam B. It's happy birthday. Hey, okay. Happy birthday, Madam. Enjoy.
Hi QM, happiest birthday. Thank you so much for your patience, understanding, and most especially for your support. We are really grateful and fortunate that you are our quality manager. So, ayun, kapit lang tayo. I know that we are going to surpass all the challenges and troubles that we are going to face so long as we are a one team and we have each other. Enjoy your day. Happiest birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Bea and Kathy. I love you both so much. I wish for good health, inner peace, and syempre, pera. Kailangan natin yun. Sana maging mayaman na tayong lahat. I love you. See you soon. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, babe! Hope you enjoy your day and you get to spend it with someone dear to you. Many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, babe! Have a blast!
Happy birthday, Bay! Bay, happy birthday. Looking forward sa libre mo. Parang tagal na natin hindi nag-inom sa Manila. So, G, this weekend, happy birthday again.
Ako naman, happy birthday! Happy birthday, TL Bay! We wish you all the best. Dali, isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Ay,
Hello, Bea! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. May the Lord be able to give you what your hearts desire because He deserves it. I always pray for you and all your dreams and aspirations to come true. God bless you and I love you. Enjoy your birthday!
Hi there, Bea, Matt here. I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday and thank you so much for your invaluable guidance and support when I was under your watch. I really value the mentorship that you provided to me. Umping always and stay safe. Happiest birthday again.
Hi Bea, so I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. So hopefully maging masaya yung birthday mo ngayon. And yung wish mo sana mag-grant ngayon yung special day mo. So again, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Just kidding, but enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Bay! All the best! Beautiful day for a beautiful soul. A year wiser, cooler, and more fabulous. Keep slaying, birthday Queen Bea!
Hello OM Bea, happy birthday and I wish you good health and more success in life. Stay cool and enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again. Rock and roll.
Babe, asan ka na?
Asan ka na nga ba? Happy birthday! Okay na to? Okay na to?
Hello, are we live? Happy birthday, Bea B. I wish you all the best in life. Thank you for always being there for us, lifting each of our spirits up in times of alam mo na, stress. We are happy to have you and know that we're also always here for you. Once again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Bert. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Berther. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday!